Felicitation trumps mere recognition. It stands as a profound celebration of enduring impact, far reaching influence, and timeless inspiration. With great pride and pleasure, I entreat our venerated Secretary, Mr. A.M. Vaidyanathan, sir, and our illustrious Chairman and Correspondent, Mrs. Sukumala Vaidyanathan, ma'am, to step forward and felicitate our Chief Guest, Ms. G. Hema, ma'am, whose presence has added grace and grandeur to this occasion. Please, sir, please, ma'am. Sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Hoisting flags symbolizes unity and diversity, spirit of fair play, and steadfast journey towards excellence that defines true sportsmanship. We request our principal ma'am to lead the dignitaries for the flag hoisting. We request everyone to rise for flag hoisting.
We now invite our chief guest, Ms. G. Hema, ma'am, to hoist our national flag. School flag, the pride, the identity, the values and vision of our institution. We request our Secretary sir and Mr. Vaidyanathan sir to hoist our school flag. Thank you, sir. The sports flag is a symbol of unity and sportsmanship. We respectfully invite our Chairman and Correspondent, Mrs. Sukumala Vaidyanathan ma'am, to hoist our sports flag. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, we request our Chairman and Correspondent, ma'am, to hoist the nice house flag. Thank you, ma'am. We beseech our acclaimed advisor, Mrs. Revati Mohan ma'am, to hoist the Samurai House flag. Thank you, ma'am. With great pride, we invite our Executive Principal, Mrs. Radha Prabhu ma'am, to hoist the Trojan House flag. Thank you, ma'am. We request our ARR Metric School Principal, Mrs. Kalaivani ma'am, to hoist the Spartans House flag. As this flag ascends and flutters gracefully above us, they paint the sky with colors and symbolize courage, unity, and energy.
Flag salute! Order!
Capturing moments now, cherishing them forever, let us freeze these proud moments in our gallery with a shot. A big day for the Physical Education Department, steadfastly supported and uplifted by the entire team. With great respect, I invite our principal ma'am.
Discipline meets pride. Practice turns into perfection. The result of tireless training and unbreakable spirit reflects the strength, unity, and honor of our ARR SLV team. As the drum beat sings with the heartbeats of ARR SLVN, here comes the SLV contingent ready to march in the parade. Many steps, one direction, one purpose, precision in movement driven by many focus. Step and sing, stand as one. The march begins.
ARR SLV troops on the spot. Martin, march! By the left, quick march!
Leading with pride and holding the school flag high, our head boy, Master Sri Vishnu, and head girl, Miss Ratanidana, guide the entire parade of cadets behind them as an able leaders, followed by our sports secretaries, Master Mujahid Rahman and Miss Satvika, stepped on by our school ambassador, Master Darshan, and our Miss Sujita. We have our pride, Junior Student Council preferred, lead by our junior head boy, Master Sarvesh. Brightening up the field with sunshine smiles, the Night House dressed in bright yellow, lead by House Captain Master Rangavital, Vice Captain Master Sai Harsan, exhibiting the bright smiles and energetic strides.
Marching with poise and power, here comes Samurai, dressed all in green, well-trained and disciplined. The troop is led by House Captain Master Pradeep Kumar and Vice Captain Master Ashwin.
Marching in confidence and calmness, the Trojan House marching majestically in front of you dressed in blue. The charisma that every exclusive troop led by House Captain Miss Anushka, Vice Captain Miss Jayashri.
Now, at your side, gracious march of Spartans dressed in pink symbolizes compassion and evokes feelings of comfort. The troop is led by House Captain Miss Samiha Fatima and Vice Captain Miss Puvisha. Echo the rhythm of our hearts, pulsating with excitement and energy. The drum beats echo the rhythm of our hearts, pulsating with excitement and energy. It ignites the spirit, fuel the passion, and drive us to win. The beat of drums and the roar of crowd, sports day magic. The energy is palpable and atmosphere is electric. The perfect blend of rhythm and pride. Get ready to witness courage, pride, and patriotism carried on tiny steps with mighty spirit. The KG parade reflects young hearts inspired by the valor and sacrifice of our nation protectors, the Army, Navy, Air Force, and police. As young cadets take the field with discipline and national pride, the parade begins.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out.
We proudly welcome the Indian Army. Our soldiers protect our borders day and night. The teachers parade, discipline and love for our country. The tiny soldiers are marching with great pride today. Let us salute our little SLV Army heroes.
Of the rain, boom, 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 boom,
Standing tall and
down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7. The little one stops to pray to heaven. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah,
Every step,
hurrah.
discipline,
The ants go
every
marching
smile
8 by
carries
8,
the promise of
hurrah, hurrah. The
Here,
ants go
dreams are
marching
nurtured
8
from
by
the very
8.
beginning,
little one
where
stops
courage
to
is
roll
introduced
his skate, and
early,
they all
discipline is
go
shaped from young age,
marching
and the spirit of the
down to
nation
ground
find
to
its
get
smallest,
out
young,
of the rain.
smartest
The
ambassadors.
ants go marching 9 by 9, hurrah.
We humbly
hurrah.
request our honored
The
dignitaries
ants go
kindly
marching
step
9 by
forward
9,
and grace the
hurrah.
dais with their presence.
Hurrah.
Get ready to witness the vibrant and spectacular tableaus of ARR SLV parade. Rising before eyes is a powerful tableau represented by knights that reflects the eternal heritage of Kumbakonam, proudly presenting the sacred Adi Kumbeshwaran temple and the divine Mahamaham tank. Kumbakonam is not merely a town, it's a living symbol of spiritual strength, balance and renewal. At its heart stand Adi Kumbeshwaran, the Lord of cosmic part, where creation itself is believed to begin anew. The towering Gopuram of Kumbeshwaran temple reminds us that greatness is built step by step through discipline, dedication and unwavering focus. Just as athletes train tirelessly to reach the podium, devotees ascend spiritually through passions, practice and perseverance. In both sport and life, there are no shortcuts, only commitment. At the center of this sacred land lies in the Mahamaham tank, the world's largest temple tank, a symbol of purification, unity and rebirth.
நமச்சிவாய வாழ்க நாதந்தாள் வாழ்க நமச்சிவாய வாழ்க நாதந்தாள் வாழ்க இமை பொழுதும் என் நெஞ்சில் நீங்காதான் தாழ் வாழ்க கோகழியாண்ட குறுமனிதன் தாழ் வாழ்க ஆகமமாகி நின்றன்னிப்பான் தாழ் வாழ்க ஏகன் அநேகன் இறைவன் அடி வாழ்க ஈசனடி போற்றி என்னை அடி போற்றி தேசனடி போற்றி சிவன் சேவடி போற்றி நேயத்தே நின்ற நிமலனடி போற்றி மாய ஈசனடி போற்றி என்னை அடி போற்றி தேசனடி போற்றி சிவன் சேவடி போற்றி நேயத்தே நின்ற நிமலனடி போற்றி மாயப்பிறப்பருக்கும் மன்னனடி போற்றி
Respected Chief Guest, Secretary and Chairman, unity in diversity is the one soul of Incredible India. Through the theme, Knights House proudly represents Adi Kumbeshwara Temple, the spiritual heart of Kumbakonam, also called the Kumbh Mela of South India, depicting the culture and tradition of our motherland.
According to Indian tradition and history, after the great cosmic distraction, Lord Brahma played the scattered part, the Kumbha, here in Kumbakonam. When the pot broken, creation began again. This is why the god here is called Adi Kumbeshwarar, the god of first creation.
முதல்வன் என்பான் உலகம் பிறந்தது அவன். This shows how India spiritually connects science, faith and nature.
Recently, the Kumbhabhishekam of Adi Kumbeshwara temple showed the world how India preserves its heritage. Ancient temples reliving and young generation learning its tradition. This is India's cultural continuity.
Kumbakonam celebrates Mahamaham once in 12 years, where millions of people take a holy dip in secret tank. We as Salvians celebrate the footprints of our ancient culture and tradition. Shambho Mahadev! Jai
vision of tomorrow, one shaped by innovation, illuminated by intelligence, and guided by humanity, our Samurai House presents a powerful tableau on artificial intelligence where technology may rise, but the human spirit reigns supreme. AI, it is the pulse of the present world. AI is evolved at breathtaking speed.
Boom, robo-da, 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 zoom, zoom, robo-da, 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 face, robo-da, robo-da, face, robo-da, okay.
Stick a nigga like a soul, do the check check. Throw your hands up in the air, do the crash boom bang wreck. Cause above the baba man will set you on fire. Down to the wire, take it much higher.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, sir. This is Madangi from grade 11, and I'm here to explain about our team's model, which is related to artificial intelligence, a human-centric you and me with him, only AI. Respected dignitaries, the future is not artificial. The future is intelligent. The future brings with informed mind like ours along with AI. We are living in an era where technological innovation are accelerating at an extraordinary pace. It is intricately woven into the fabric of our daily life, reshaping how we think, work, and interact with the world. And AI and the human face display. The human face is the most expressive interface ever created. AI has today also developed a cognitive capacity to interpret facial expression, analyze emotion, and respond intelligently. In future, AI-powered human face display will serve as visual mentor, healthcare assistant, digital companion that will augment emotional intelligence. Robot usage, present and future. At present, robots revolutionizing productivity by performing repetitive, hazardous, and precision-based tasks. Now, robots started assisting in robot surgery, operating in industrial automation, then a big revolution in all the sector as caregiver. Now, my teammate Tarul will explain to you about the other models.
Now and beyond, drones are rectified artificial intelligence. It delivers essential supply, monitoring agriculture and traffic, supporting disaster assignment. More features, AI-enabled drones will facilitate life-saving medicines, contributing to environmental conservation, enable real-time climate monitoring. The features of transformation QR code have evolved into dynamic digital gateways, currently unenabled. Seamless cashless transaction, internet access to information, store secure digital identity, integrating AI divide database will bring a huge captivating physical and digital ecosystem.
Digital India in 2030. Digital India represents a visionary national transformation. By 2030, India will implement AI-powered governance, provide inclusive digital education, establish smart cities and smart villages, deliver accessible digital healthcare. AI will enable data-driven decision-making, ensuring transparency, efficiency, and equality. Conclusion: AI is not about missions overpowering humanity. It's about human-centric innovation, ethical responsibility, and sustainable advancement with a human-like interface, intelligent robots, visionary drones, transformative QR codes, and a green conscience. As future citizens, we ARR Salvians will gradually gain exposure
to emerging fields along with artificial intelligence. We are the innovators of tomorrow. Begins here as a student of ARR SLV. Thank you.
Thank you for presenting this powerful vision of future where technology uplifts mankind and where humans remain forever irreplaceable.
Rising with courage, compassion, and unbreakable will, this Trojan House powerful tableau bring alive Nari Shakti. Here comes next, rising with courage, compassion, and unbreakable will. This Trojan House powerful tableau brings alive a Nari Shakti, the infinite force that nurtures life, builds society, and shapes the destiny of nation.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे चलनी
Before the history was written and before crowns and conquests, the India began with Nari Shakti.
When duty called women, answer with courage. Rani Lakshmibai rode into battle, Velu Nachiyar fought an empire. They proved bravery has no gender.
When society tried to limit their dreams, women lit the lamp of change.
During the freedom struggle, women didn't stand behind history, they made history.
Today, India stands in the new era of Nari Shakti, from Kalpana Chawla reaching the skies, PV Sindhu rewriting the records, to Indira Gandhi and Draupadi Murmu leading the nation. Women are no longer waiting for opportunities, they are shaping and creating them. Now let's have our great personality Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai to speak on this great parade.
I was not born with a sword, I earned it. My spirit was forged in the fire of war. I carried my courage into the heart of battle. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. I fought so India could breathe free.
Next comes our Savitribai Phule.
जब समाज ने मेरे रास्ते में पत्थर फेंका तब भी मेरे हाथ में किताब थी क्योंकि मैं जानती थी एक बेटी ही शिक्षा ही आगे बनाएगी. थैंक यू.
Next comes our great personality Indira Gandhi.
In a world of power blocks, I belong to the non-aligned. In a world of dominated by men, I happen to be a woman. Thank you.
Then let's hear to Kalpana Chawla.
I dare to look beyond the sky. I believe my dreams are bigger than the fear. I reach where courage led. I am a woman who proudly says the space is only for women.
Now we have our Honorable President Ma'am, Ms. Draupadi Murmu, who has come with us on this great parade.
I stand tall for the title, but for the title. I rose with roots of responsibility. I strike with courage and clarity. I rose.
Then our great sportsperson PV Sindhu.
I trained when it was taught. I rose every time I fell. I turn everything into an excellence. I'm a woman who plays with the pride, and thank you.
Strong women build strong nation. Empowered women shape the future. Nari Shakti is India's strength. From the Shakti of the past to the Nari Shakti of today, the journey continues. And the Trojan house marches forward with pride, power and purpose.
This is
Jai
why
Hind, Jai Nari Shakti, Jai Trojan house.
Women, power and power. Nari Shakti is infinite and unstoppable. Thank you, Trojan team, for bringing Nari Shakti to life and reminding us the future belongs to a world where women stand.
To add on to this Nari Shakti, we have our chief guest, Mrs. Hema ma'am, who is being the first public prosecutor of South India in her own department. So, very happy to have you, ma'am. The Shaktis of ARR group initiated by our Laila Subramanian ma'am. Following her footprints, it has been taken over by Mrs. Suhamala Vaidyanathan, where everyone, we have been empowered to make ARR SLV flag soaring high for the past 4 years and even in the years to come. Thank you so much, our chairman and secretary, Mrs. Suhamala Vaidyanathan ma'am, for leading us with the vision of great iconic with your mother's footprint. Thank you all.
ARR SLV, Trojan House, salute! Order!
Here come the Spartans, powerful, proud, and full of purpose, bringing the Olympic spirit alive. The Olympics are more than sports. They celebrate strength, courage, and dreams. Every 4 years, the world passes to witness hope, struggle, sacrifice, and triumph.
Respected Chief Guest Ma'am, Secretary Sir, and Chairman and Correspondent Ma'am, our belief connects the ancient Spartans to the ancient Olympic Games. And today, we proudly present the journey of Olympics from history to modern time. Our theme today highlights the Olympic Games, a tradition from ancient tradition to modern excellence, which has been begun in the 776 BC in ancient Greece in a place called Olympia.
In ancient time, the Olympic not just a competition, they promoted peace, unity and fair play.
After centuries, the Olympic was revived in 1896 when Pierre de Coubertin revived the games. The modern Olympics was brought nation together on one global platform. Motto of the Olympic: CTS, LTS, 40S. That means faster, higher, stronger.
Now, in our country, Bharat, the Indian movement reflects the same version, a strong nation being with fit and disciplined citizens.
We SLVians are evolving with the Olympic spirit. Prepare. Thank you.
Fit India means Olympic India. Thank you.
The Olympic flame reminds us never give up and the motto faster, higher, stronger, together. teaches us to push limits, stay resilient, and rise as one. Behind every medal or years of hard work, setbacks, and courage, the Olympic arena is a classroom of life, teaching patience, humility, and perseverance. To all students and young champions, dream boldly, drive fearlessly, compete honestly, and give your best, not for applause, but for self-respect. Today we celebrate determination, teamwork, and spirit. Let the Spartans inspire you to rise, push limits, and strive for excellence. Remember, champions are made by character, courage, and consistency, not medals. Thank you, Spartans, for lighting the Olympic flame in all our hearts. Sports Day is all about fostering a sense of competition and sportsmanship, building spirit and community engagement. Moreover, it is about celebrating the joy of sports with discipline. With this august and consecrated moment, the flame rises, heralding unity of resolve, the grace of harmony, and the everlasting spirit of sport. As the torch passes from hand to hand, let it inspire us all to chase our dreams at ARSLV, embrace our passion, perseverance, and celebrate the power of sportsmanship.
Ms. Hansika of Grade 8, a Coco champion who represented in CBSE cluster, bring the torch, carrying the flame of courage, determination, and inspiration. Olympic torch is now passed to Master Mohammad Iman of Grade 9, Coco champion and the gold medalist in long jump. Receiving the torch is Ms. Sanjivani, Grade 9, Coco champion. A flame continues its journey. Our glorious students who have added a feather to the cap of ARSLV through their remarkable achievement in sports now take the field with pride carrying the Olympic torch. Now, Ms. Lakshita Kumari, Grade 9, a Coco champion, a green belt, the first Q in karate, receives the Olympic torch. Now, we may respectfully invite all our eminent dignitaries to the Olympic torch base. Tamil Nadu State Archery Championship. Also honored from the Universal Achievers Books of Record for World Record Individual Performance. Received Dr. Ambedkar Award from Tamil Amudu Arangathalai. Has been handing over the torch to our esteemed chief guest. Finally, the Olympic torch is being ignited by our chief guest, Ms. G. Hemama. Your spirit and energy has added a greater blaze to this flame. Thank you, ma'am. Every moment deserves to be remembered. Moments today, memories forever. Let us immortalize these proud moments with a captured frame in ARSLV's galleries. A big round of applause for the outstanding students whose brilliance and hard work continue to illuminate for the past others. Thank you, ma'am. Every moment deserves to be remembered. Memories, moment today, memories forever. To add this, torch bearer photos in the gallery of ARSLV. Making a promise to oneself can lead to self-reflection, goal setting, and personal development. It is a commitment to values, responsibility, and action. With the spirit of resolve and integrity, it's now time for the oath-taking ceremony.
Repeat after me. We swear in the name of Almighty that we shall participate in ARSL Vidyasaram Senior Secondary School sports and game competition. In fact, respecting the regulations which govern them and with desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship. We hereby promise to live up to the high tradition of ARSLV with regard to discipline, cooperation, forbearance, and true sportsmanship.
the children be here, Mr. Aragesh. Let them move to the ground after the inauguration of sports meet open.